Hi guys, this is Suraj and this is the Lenovo Y540. It's currently listed on Amazon for rupees 68,000. It's also available in Flipkart. Links are provided in the description box below. This particular variant comes with 512 GB SSD and 8 GB RAM. Both can be upgraded afterwards. It has 4 GB GTX 1650 Nvidia graphics card and i5 9th Gen H series Intel CPU. It's a 4-core CPU which has 2.4 GHz base clock and 4.1 GHz boost clock. Now, as this is a gaming laptop, any kind of CAD software which civil and mechanical engineers use runs really well on this laptop because of its beefy GPU and really good CPU. Coming to the build of this laptop, it has a top surface which is plastic, but it feels premium and well built. It has a Legion logo branding over here, which has a light. It gives a really cool look, and it has a dual hinge design, which is actually better than one on the Lenovo Y7000 because this will last long. This laptop also has a great keyboard with two levels of backlighting. It is a good keyboard with really good tactical feel, and the chassis has little to no flex on it. The trackpad, which is located over here, it has really good tactical feeling buttons, and it's a glass trackpad with Windows precision drivers to give you that really good accurate tracking. The webcam and camera are located down here. The camera is below the screen because of the thin bezels, and the power button also lights up to let you know if the laptop is switched on or not. The speakers on this laptop are located down here, these two ones. They don't sound particularly great because they are down facing speakers like all the laptops in this price category. Now coming to the ports on this laptop, it has a USB 3.1 and a headphone jack on the left side, and another USB 3.1 and a light indicator. On the back side, it has a lot of ports. This is a USB 3.1 Type C mini display port. Again, another USB 3.1. This is a HDMI cable port, internet jack. This is the RJ45 internet jack, and this is a power connector, and this is a Kensington lock. Now talking about the battery life and performance of this laptop. This laptop doesn't really have a good battery life because it has a really good and powerful GPU and CPU with suck in a lot of power, so it can't last long without power connection. Now the performance of this laptop is really great. As you know, it has a really good Intel CPU and Nvidia GPU. Now I don't want to bore you with benchmarks and FPS scores. So let's try to open 3ds Max, which is one of the most demanding CAD software. Now this laptop or any gaming laptop in general gives you 100% performance only when it's connected to a power connection. Now it's not connected to a power right now, so it can be kind of okay, but it's actually fast. As you can see, even without the power connection, it opened up really fast. Now if you want to know about the benchmarks and FPS and gaming performance of this laptop, you can actually check out some videos which I provide in the description box below. Now coming to the conclusion, at around this price point, which is around 70,000 rupees, you don't really have a good powerful laptops. This is one of the best in that price category. There's other laptop called Asus ROG Strix, which you can get at 69,000. It comes with same CPU and GPU, but it has 1 TB SSD. It's a plus point, but personally I have used it and it doesn't really feel good in terms of build quality. And because this is a laptop which you're going to be using for next 3 or 4 years, that's an important factor as well. And even down the line you can upgrade your storage and memory, and Lenovo has really good customer support. If you want to buy this laptop right now, the links are provided in the description box below, even the links of the Asus laptops, and if I find any other good laptops, I'll provide them in the description box below as well. Subscribe for more videos like this.